Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. We are from Group 3. Today we have to honor it to bring some material for your discussion in the class about the influence of fashion style at Student Office Administration Education 2023H. First of all, let me introduce myself and my colleague. My name is Angeliora Cahyari Maunesa, the last name 339, and my first colleague is Maulidia Fakriani, the last name 337. The second is Andika Firman Syaputra, the last name 369. The third my colleague is Anton Ardiansyah, the last name 371, and the last my colleague is Emma Aulia Rahmadani, the last name 377. So, we are hope you can follow your presentation for your discussion session later. Okay, next. The first one for discussion is abstract. Fashion at campus is an important subject for students. Fashion becomes an individual identity, which means that your clothing style and can relate yourself. By maintaining an appreciation, student can build a good reputation and create a positive impression. In this era, fashion at campus can be said to be private because students in this era can wear clothes well and correctly. At campus, we can find many different and prominent models or style of clothing. Therefore, on this observation, we will observe the fashion of students on campus. With the aim that we know how important fashion on campus is for students. The method we use is quantitative method. We have distributed questionnaire to students the Office Administration Education Study Program, more precisely class 2023 here. The result of which we will discuss in the discussion. The result of research show that 2023 Hey Office Administration Education student really care about fashion. We can say that because the result of the research were 19.4% said fashion was important to them and 6% said fashion was not important. From this, we can conclude that office administration education student will that their dressing style is important. The keyword is fashion, campus, style, student, and office administration education. Next. Okay, the second discussion is introduction. Fashion in Indonesia developing very quickly as well as the development of technology is currently ensuring. Fashion is not only about clothing and its attributes to protect or cover the body, but also as an identity or social status for yours. Fashion is also a means to display the image of a person that person wants, which show that person cover individual identity issues in student. The development of fashion over time is currently effective for now, but it definitely has its good and bad points. The good effects is that people are growing as especially in Indonesia, more fashionable in every way. The bad effect is that Indonesia are more interested in comparing clothes than traditional clothes. Okay, the next discussion will be continued by my colleague. Thank you.
Research method. This research study is quantitative, which is that quantitative research is research that emphasizes the analysis of numeric data processed using the quantitative method. The type used in the research in a quantitative to teach mean we take several students to collect research data, information, and facts with our direction related to the subject of research numeric of effect of digital on office administration education 2023 8 student. at Surabaya State University. Next. 3. Result and discussion. The result and discussion of this research are the analysis is the influence of fashion style at student office administration education 2023. It's in the survey we got a total of 34 respondents with diverse answers and opinions. This research will be able to office students to know how important a student fashion style in and improve in idea of student dress poverty correction. 1. First sample question. Based on the data we observed on the picture above, 94% of students in the fashion style at campus is important and 6% thinks the fashion style at campus non-important. We are the detail fashion style at campus important. Some respondents that the fashion style at campus is important. With a perfect of 94% of 34 respondents, 32 respondents because fashion style at campus is important. Fashion style in campus not important. A lot of the respondent cause fashion style at campus important. The will allows to respondent will percent of 6% cause fashion style at campus not important. From the fiction it can be because this office administration education program student class of 2023 it considers fashion style at campus important. 2. Second sample question. Based on the as the features style informal and for 34% the fashion style in casual. Here are the detail. Formal fashion at campus. Some respond towards the formal fashion at campus. We approximate 55% of 44 respondents. 90 respondents for formal fashion at campus. Casual fashion at campus. Out of the respondents was formal fashion at campus. There we also 15 respondents with progress of 54 coach fashion. This is relation the significant percentage of respondents Hawaii case onwards. With the percent diagram, the result quantity office administration education 2023 each student are more dominant is dressed on campus in formal clothing.
Next, 3 sample question. Does the environment at faculty influence your fashion style? Information. Based on the data we obtained as in the picture above, 41% of student cause environment faculty influence about she or he fashion, but 58% of student cause environment faculty not influence about she or he fashion. The faculty environment influence about the fashion. Some respondents talk that environment faculty influence about the fashion. With a percentage of 41% of 34 respondents, 14 respondents cause environment faculty influence about the fashion. The faculty environment not influence about the fashion. Although most the respondents cause the faculty environment not influence about the fashion. There were also 20 respondents with percentage of 58% cause this. In the questionnaire, more individuals were of the opinion that the way we dress does not completely influence the faculty environment, but in certain condition or even this will influence us. For example, when there is a religious event on campus, individuals are more dominant in wearing robes or clothing that is more appropriate to the provisions of the event. For sample question 4. Does current trend and social media influence your fashion? Information. Do current trend and social media influence your dressing style? Through in-depth analysis of the questionnaire, this section yielded almost dominant answer. Firstly, respondent caused the answer yes, with a percentage of 61%, and secondly, respondent caused the answer no, with a percentage of 38%. This is reflected in the significant percentage of respondents who gave this answer. With the percentage diagram, the results conclude that Office Administration Education 2023 age. Yes, students are influenced by the development of current trends and social media on clothing style. 5. Sample question 5. Do you have any particular tendencies when it comes to shopping for clothes? Information. Through in-depth analysis of the questionnaire, this section yielded almost dominant answer. First respondent caused the answer prefer to shop online with a percentage of 29%. And secondly, respondent caused the answer often shop online with a percentage 70%. This is reflected in the significant percentage of respondents who gave this answer. With the percentage diagram, the result conclude that Office Administration Education 2023 age students are more dominant in online shopping for the clothing category because by shopping online there are more varied choice and cheaper price, but we must still go shop that have clothes with good ratings from previous years. Seek the last sample question. In your opinion, are there differences in clothing style between faculty or department? Information. Through in-depth analysis of the questionnaire, this section found almost dominant answer. Firstly, respondent caused the answer yes with a percentage of 61%, and secondly, respondent caused the answer no with a percentage of 38%.
Conclusion. Based on the result of the research data that we met through the questionnaire method above, it can be concluded that the influence of the dressing style of Office Administration Education 2023 age students show significant data that tends to lead to no effect. In the percentage of all data tends to be the same 50%, although the data show more tendency to have no effect. But there's a condition only cover data in the PUB study program student environment, but it is possible that data in other faculty environment will also have an effect. With the data above that the style of dress in the campus environment shows a role as a form of non-verbal communication that affects other people's perception of a person. However, the style of dress owned by a student also reflects the social and cultural norms that exist in the campus environment. Even so, it is important for students to still prioritize comfort and modesty in dressing, as well as pay attention to the context of the event or activity being attended. Moreover, the rapid change in fashion trends allow students to continue experimenting and exploring their personal style. Next.
office according to the questionnaire and the data obtained. Although the way of dressing tends not to affect office administration education students in class 2023 age, there are still things that need to be considered when we dress, especially in the campus environment. Suggestion from our group after obtaining data from questionnaires filled out by 2023 age office administration education students, namely that the short dress. 2023 age class office administration education students who tend to cause that the way of dressing has little effect to pay more attention to the way they dress so that they can adjust to certain event or during certain course. For example, during PE courses, we tend to prefer sportwear and during religious education course, we use more clothing or in accordance with religious provision. With these research, it the hope that it can provide insight for us and Office Administration Education Class 2023 age student about fashion styling on campus, and we hope that student can be even better and can be a reference for styling on campus.
Okay, that's discussion we wanted to say about the presentation for today. Thank you for your time and thank you for your attention. See you in the next presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.